Look at this, every single troop is going in the center and hello everyone, welcome to IBD Gaming. So today we will learn the Town Hall 10 attack, the Witch Zap. So if you see the two Inferno Tower in the radius of Earthquake spell, then quake it, because the 4 lightning and 1 quake will take the Inferno. Okay, so we will check here, and this Inferno is in contact with Queen, so we will wait for the Queen to come near the Inferno Tower. So we will take down the first Inferno and second Inferno with Queen and some other defenses. So once we take the Inferno, we will put the Golem to the edges and in the center. So the Golem will protect the group of witches behind that. Okay, so once the funnel is created on the left and the right, then we will deploy all the witches to the center and they will go through the center to the town hall. So first golem will cover this area, and second golem will cover this area, and third golem will cover the center. So this is a flow of our attacks. So first golem, then 3 witches, second golem with some witches, third golem with 3 witches, and then we will put wall breaker, then king, queen, and we'll wait the wall breaker to go to the center. Once wall breaker go in the center, we will put the rage spell. Then the troops in the CC will come out with the rage and clear the whole center. Okay, once CC pull out, we will put poison here. We will wait for the CC and then put the poison at the exact position. So let's see the attack. So this is our army. So let's try this. We get with 3 golem, 12 witches and 8 lightning with 1 zap. We will wait for the queen to come near the Inferno Tower. So wait. Okay, now we'll put the earthquake. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 lightning spells on Inferno Tower 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 lightning spells on Inferno Tower 2. We will take some defenses with Inferno Tower. So as we planned before, we will put the golem to the edges, some group of witches behind the golem, and we will wait until the funnel gets created. Okay, so here's funnel created. We will put golem and other witches, wall breakers, king and queen. We will wait till the wall breaker gets into the center. Okay, so look at this, every single troop is going to the center. See, 1, 2, we will put the poison, wall breaker will get open with the rage. Some 3 super V's are clearing the base. Look at this. Oh my god, the super V's are still alive. Look at the chaining attack. They clear the whole center. The king is struggling through the wall. The queen is still active with the full health, and the witches are creating the scaling and spreading it all around the base. Oh my god, this attack is overloaded to base. So look at the Skellies, the perfect 3-star on the base. We have still king ability, queen ability, the golem, and dozens and tons of witches. So here's the 3-star. Then we are planning to do this attack in war. So as we discussed, if we see, okay, 2 Inferno in radius of earthquake spell, then quake it. Let's see the attack. Okay, let's take a look on the base. Here's the base. If, as we discussed, the 2 Inferno are in the radius of earthquake spell, so the queen is not nearby, so we will deploy army from this end, that is 6 o'clock and 3 o'clock. So we will take down the queen and also the CC. Okay. Okay, we decided the flow of attack. Let's start the attack. Here's our army and go. Okay, 1 quake, 4 lightning, and another. Okay, and another 4 lightning. We take the both Inferno as we planned. 1 golem on the bottom with witches, on the right with witches. Wait to create the funnel. Okay, funnel is created. Golem, king, queen, war breaker. The king will take the opponent's queen. We will wait. So CC pull out. Okay, we will put king poison. Hold the rage. Balloon will get down soon. We will put the rage and the super wizard get popped out and see the chaining effect. Oh my god, the 55% of base is gone till now, 60%, and see the chaining effect of super wizard in the rage spell. Boom, the base is totally gone. Still we have queen ability and she is a healthy bitch. See, the witches are spreading the skellies around this base. We have still 1 golem which is struggling to the wall, and look at this attack. We still have 2 super wizards, and boom, we created a 3-star, and this base is get deleted from the internet. The 3-star perfect. So guys, make sure to like, share and subscribe so I can do more video on Clash of Clans.